How to fix try opening this file in another app error when using Photo for Windows 10 to open file. Here are some tips that may help you fix try opening this file in another app error when using Photo for Windows 10 to open file. 1. Run App Troubleshooter. 2. Reset Photos app. 3. Uninstall. Reinstall Photos app. To do so, run the following command via PowerShell. As admin, get apps package Microsoft.Windows.Photos. Remove apps package. 4. Run the sfc/scanno command, as administration. 5. Run the Modern UI app troubleshooter. http://bit.ly/2ztalks2c. 6. Go to My Picture folder and right-click on Properties, head to Security tab and click Edit and check for your system account to have full control.